Hello friends, I am Naren, your mentor. Today I want to discuss about Indian Constitution, and first of all in Constitution we will explain the preamble of Indian Constitution. It is a very first preamble added by the America, and after that India and so many other countries also adopted the preamble. Preamble is called the introduction and preface of the Constitution, and this one also called the identity card of the Constitution. In Constituent Assembly, first time it is introduced by Jawaharlal Nehru, and that time it called the objective resolutions. It is the sources and authority of Constitution. It is behind it, no doubt, people of India. Nature of the Indian state is the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Dates of adoption of Constitution is 26 November of 1949. The keyword of preamble are also the sovereign, socialist, secular, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, that we will discuss later. Now I want to start the preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political equality of status and of opportunity, and promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Now I want to explain all the important words. It is sovereign, not dependent or dominion, independent state, no authority above this, and free conduct, internal and external matters. Socialist, democratic principle of the socialist pattern of society. India has the Gandhian socialism, and 1991 new economic policy, privatization, liberalization, and globalization. Democratic, it's called the Janta ke Dwara, Janta ke liye, so on, by the people, for the people. It is a real democratic country, India. It is a republic country. Democracy like two types. That one type of American democracy, a second type of Indian democracy. India and America both are in direct democratic country. Both elected, people selected their leaders indirectly. Republic country is the Britain. There is a monarchy and headed always by heredity, and there is a queen. And India is the republic head is the president of India.